Yes, I believe this year marks 10 years that Greg has worked for the firm, which isn't bad out of the 12 that he's been employed there. Now, he's brought to the firm expressions like have a crack and one we heard earlier this evening, game changer. And he's brought about 643 different Harvard-inspired management models, some of which have actually worked. What would you all do without the 4-box model or the Greiner curve? Your work, probably. But still, he's also brought to the firm his own special way of motivating staff. When he recently bought a fancy new car, he took Stephen Ewer down to the car park to show him. And when Stephen said, "Wow, nice car," Greg said to him, "Well, you know what? If you work hard, Stephen, and put in the hours and keep coming up with great ideas, this time next year, I'll have an even better one." The people do truly admire him, and I've spoken to them. They've told me things like, Greg is a man who doesn't know the meaning of the word quit. They've said, Greg is a man who doesn't know the meaning of the word fear, and Greg is a man who doesn't know the meaning of the word fail. I mean, Greg just doesn't know the meaning of an incredible number of words. People have also been impressed by the fact that he's been instrumental in Arcadis submitting a reconciliation action plan, that he's a big supporter of diversity, and due to his strong interest in fairness and opportunity, he is a member of the Consult Australia Male Champions of Change group. Incidentally, because of his strong interest in 5 and 10 cent coins, he's also a member of the Consult Australia Male Champions of Small Change group as well. But he has been a true man of steel. He galvanises the team he leads. He reinforces their belief in themselves so they're strong enough to face great challenges, and even his personality is magnetic. And when you look at the leadership team he's surrounded himself with, you understand how very steel that he has been, because a piece of steel is only as strong as the nuts that keep him in place.